Hello and welcome. My name is Vukile. We are in standard tuning on the guitar, and here are the string sounds from string notes from number 6 to number 1. So as a single chord you can hear. Okay, so here we go. Today we are going to learn how to deal with the frets and how to know the frets. If you look at your fretboard, you find at the top of your fretboard here, the top here, there are dots as well in most guitars. Dots as well, like there's a dot like this here, and another dot on the seventh, fifth fret. So third, fifth, seventh, ninth, and 12th. Okay, and then you go on to 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 19. You see, this thing is doing what I don't like. Okay, so there are markings here. So we have markings here to tell you this is the third fret, this is the fifth fret, this is seventh fret, this is the ninth fret, and this is two dots here. It's an octave, which is 12th fret. Okay, 12th fret. Okay, with respect to the open fret. Now we're going to have a look at some of the methods or some common features on the fretboard, on the standard tuning. So let's look at this. I'm gonna put some notes here that you may want to have a look at. You have F here, B and C. Now, if you go like, let's go diagonal first. You're gonna have this. This is what you can do as a way of knowing those notes straight from fret number 6 to fret number sorry, from fret number 1 to fret number 7 there. So this is what you can see, and across the strings. So you have a B on the first string. Second string you have an F. You have a B on the third string, on that fret there. And on fret number 3, string number 4, you have F. Fret number 2, string number 5, you have a B, and fret number 1, you have an F. So that's one method of looking at it. If you take an octave to there, you can do the same thing. Okay, that's practice number 1 that you can do. Okay, you identify those ones. Those are not the only F's that you have in that system. You can have other F's there in that system. So if you want, you can have other F's in the system. Okay. The other thing you can do, because there's another F here, if you look at it, you can go there. Okay, it starts with a B here, a F, B, F, B, F. Now there's another F out here, and sorry, you have to come here. So you have two notes that are, so this is what you have there, and you can play around with it. The other F, which is the final one, is here. This will form a basis for some chords and some triads that we will be looking at. So make sure you know this one. It's quite a good thing, and it looks like a pattern there, but you know, it's very useful when you're dealing with chords. Because you can quickly locate those notes, those roots. Here we're dealing with B, the keys of B and the F. So you can look at that. you have B and F, B, F, B, F, B, F, B, F. So you see, you have F here, go to that one, and that one, F here and F here, or F here and F here, F, 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 F. So you're repeating this triangle here of F. So make sure this is, make sure you know this one. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. The second one, we're going to go to the second one. I'm going to delete this one here, and we're going to go to the next one. So that's the FB way of looking at it. Now the other one is, if we're looking at F, for example, we can actually do the F, and I know where the F is, so I'm gonna be doing this, and we're gonna do this, and so that's what we have, the F. Let's see, F, and yes, so that's what we have here. So you can see this one. To just to give you, this is it's called it's called an octave, and it's both octave and unison way of looking at the fretboard. So in the key of F, we're looking at unisons of F there and octaves of F. A thing which I'll explain later when we deal with intervals. But for now, you can take that. You can put pretty much any key that you want, and then you look at it that way. Where does the next one go? Where is the next one going? Where is the next one going? I'll give you a rule to decipher that. If you look at here, for now, let's just look at between string number 6. You have to jump a string number 6 and number 5. You jump a string, and then you jump a fret. You put the next F. You're looking at it from this, from the thickest string going down, going up to this one. So between the 4th and here, you jump 1 string and 2 frets, so you get F there. Same applies when you are dealing with this and not on this string, on string number 3. You have to jump 2 frets and you jump 1 string, you go there. Okay, so when you're dealing with the first one and the second one as well, when you're dealing with the 5th one, you also jump 1 fret and 1 string, so you get there. That's where your notes. That's how you build your notes. Okay, so you can pick any key. Let's practice this a little bit with another different note altogether. Let's do this. I will edit and select all notes. Sorry, I will edit and select all notes. Unfortunately, I've selected ones that I didn't want to delete as well. Say yes. Okay, so let's pick, for example, the key of G. If you want the key of G, this is G. Now the rule is the next one from here is rule number 1. Any note on number 6 is, we have the same note on number 1. Okay, so if I put a G there, there's automatically a G there. Okay, and if I put another G here, there is automatically a G there. You know. Now, what is left is for us to work out the notes in there. So we have said between 6, from number 6, you jump 1 string, which is this one, and you jump 1 fret, which is that one. So you have to go there. Okay. Now, if you're moving down again, you have to jump from string number 4. You have to jump 2 frets and 1 string. So you jump 1 string here, and then 2 frets, 1, 2. You go here. That's where your next G is. Okay. Now, for you to see what's on the other string. What's on the other string, by the way? What's on the other string? this string here, you can see these two strings don't have a thing. So when you're coming from the thinnest string, from string number 1, you jump 2 strings and 1 fret. That's how you got this one here. The same applies to this one. You jump, in fact, this one here, you jump 1 fret and you jump 2 strings. For the second one, jump 2 strings. So you go here. Okay, so it's like that. When you're coming from up, it's not very consistent. So you can go back to this one to say, okay, this one I can jump 1 fret and 1 string. So my next G is here. Okay, and you do the same thing here. You're going up. If you're going up, you have to, from 1, you have to jump 2 strings and 1 fret, or here 1 string and 1 fret. So you're here, and here you jump 1 string and 2 frets. So here, from here, so you go there. Now from here, you're going back there. You jump 1 fret and you jump 2 strings. So you are right here, man, and so on. So you're gonna get your thing. So the open string, let's put the open string here. That's your G. So here's the thing now. You've put all the octaves and all the unisons in the same, on the fretboard. You can pinpoint where the G is and so forth. So these are the 2 methods that I've shown you in this lesson. Here we are. Thank you very much. My name is Vukile. Please subscribe, and you'll get more as we crack some ways of looking at the fretboard. My name is Vukile. Thank you very much. Bye.